Hello Windows 11 users, encountering the Memory Corruption BSOD error? Don't worry, I've got a quick guide for you. Let's troubleshoot and fix this issue in just a few moments. It's possible that nothing major went wrong to cause the BSOD. Do a basic restart before to initiating the more complex repair techniques. Users attest that this resolved the problem. To accomplish this, there is no unique technicality. All you have to do is reboot the machine as usual. Rebooting after shutting down will also function. Open Run with Windows key plus R. Type Control Update to launch the Windows update. Check for updates. If any is available download, then restart to install. As previously said, the cause of your memory corruption. One possible cause of Windows 11's BSOD is corrupted files on your PC. With specially designed third-party tools, you can fix this. Fortect is one of these useful instruments. Utilize it to examine and repair any corrupted Windows files on your computer. Launch the Windows search, type Memory, then press Enter. Click on Windows Memory Diagnostic, then run as administrator. Select Restart Now and check Problems. Recommended to check your computer for memory problems. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E. Locate and click on This PC on the left side of the window. Right-click on the system main drive, usually C. Select Properties. Click Tools, then select Check. You may get a pop-up notification saying you don't need to scan this drive. Select Scan Drive. Check the scan results for errors. Follow the system prompts to fix them. Type CMD in Windows Search. Right-click on Command Prompt or select Run as administrator. Paste the command below or copy and paste. SFC/Scano. Ensure the command is spaced accordingly as above. Wait for the system to complete verification. Check if it is able to fix any corrupted files. Restart your laptop. Launch Run by pressing Windows key plus R. Type the command below or copy and paste. devimgmt.msc, click OK, or tap Enter. Under Network Adapters, right-click on Realtek device. Select Uninstall device. When you get warning, you are about to uninstall this device from your system, choose Uninstall. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.